everyone, welcome to another Orbeez video. Today I've got the Orbeez Ultimate Soothing Spa to try out. This spa will treat your feet to a massage using Orbeez. I'm sure you guys already know what Orbeez are, but if you don't, they're wet and wacky, soft and squishy, fun and funky, bouncy and beautiful orbs. You can see them on the box here. I can't wait to try this foot spa out. Let's get it out of the box. Okay, there's a few different pieces inside the box. We've got this white bit, which is the bottom of the spa. Ooh, it's got some bubbles on the bottom. Probably to help with massaging. This pink part is the motor. You put the corkscrew inside and it makes the Orbeez flow all over your feet. And here is the most fun part. The Orbeez. Ooh, they're so squishy. Okay, time to put all the pieces together. It's really easy, but just make sure you read the instructions or ask an adult for some help. Okay, now our spa is ready to go. Time to put some Orbeez in. To make this more relaxing, you can put the Orbeez in a bowl of warm water. Once they've been in for a couple of minutes, take the Orbeez and drain the water. Right, I better go to the kitchen. Be right back. I'm back. Now I've added the Orbeez. Ooh, look, they're so warm and squishy. I've got a feeling this is going to be really relaxing. The final step is to turn on the spa. Okay, to complete the spa experience, I better get changed. Here we go. I'm a bit nervous. I hope it's not too ticklish. It's not ticklish at all. Oh, it's so relaxing. Oh, I'm so relaxed. Thank you so much for watching today's video, everyone. Please remember to like this video and subscribe to the channel. Now, if you don't mind, I'm gonna enjoy this massage.